Mentally, I'm not ready. I am so grossed out right now. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying all the viral TikTok makeup trends. I'm gonna rate them, I'm gonna try them, and we're gonna see if it really works. I may hate it, I may love it, but you may also really love or hate it. So if you wanna see how these trends turned out, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first hack I have not been wanting to do because it just gives me icky vibes. I just water in foundation and then swiping it on your skin. It doesn't sound appetizing to me, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So I have a foundation from Makeup Forever and I'm just gonna put a bunch of foundation in here. Ew, you guys, look at that. It's like making little babies. Ew. I am so grossed out right now, like to the highest level. Ew. I have that thing where, what is happening? I'm trying to wring out some of the product or the water so it's not just slobbery all over my face. But let's try this. Ready? I'm not. I am not ready. Mentally, I'm not ready. I think the purpose of this was so that your makeup is basically lasting all day. The first time I tried this, I actually tried this on TikTok and it did not work out for me because I didn't put enough foundation. So it just made these little streaks all over my face, but this is applying a lot better. But this is actually not as bad as I rated it on my TikTok. I rated it a 0. Okay, I'm gonna get my beauty sponge to blend it in though, because you see, it's not gonna blend. Oh shoot. Okay guys, I'm blending it in and it looks super, super good. Like very natural, flawless. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but it looks freaking amazing. Okay, I wanna go back on my TikTok and just like fix that part. I gave it a 0 out of 10. I give this a, I don't like doing the whole application in my cup and now I have to wash it. It's gonna be gross. And I didn't like looking at it in the cup. So that's why I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. So next is the finger nose contour. So I have my Fenty Matchstick in Mocha. So you basically just put the contour on your finger, rub your fingers together, start at the bridge of your nose where your brows meet and then go straight down. And it's supposed to be the perfect contour lines. That's pretty accurate, but my nails won't let me go all the way up, but this is pretty accurate. And then I'll just do a line here underneath the nose. Looking good so far. And it's supposed to give you like a really natural, precise kind of nose contour. Nice, I actually really like that. Okay, it needs a little bit more blending. I like it. I really want a little line above my nose. That's just how I contour. I'm gonna still use my finger and just go around like that. Okay, so I like it for the sides, obviously not for every type of shape you're trying to do, but it works pretty good. Like if you don't have any brushes, your fingers are always the best tools. The next makeup trend is this, the skull cheek contour. And it's basically just following the shape of your cheekbone and then blending it in. I'm actually going to use a brush because I feel like brushes are a little bit better for that. And you just blend upwards. This is more of a masculine type of contour, but I don't mind them. I think they kind of look good on my face personally. Here, you want to blend inwards. If you have a little bit of a fuller cheek, which I feel like I do, helps kind of narrow it down a little bit. And I definitely think that this one is like an oldie but goodie. It was just trending, but I think it's good. You just have to blend it into your face right, or else it's gonna look funny. I'm gonna get the beauty sponge. Do you guys think that it slimmed my face down? Let me know in the comments. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let you guys kind of decide for yourself and let me know. So I'm gonna finish contouring my face and we're gonna go on to the next makeup trend. This one is the concealer facelift. So basically you get a concealer, and this one is my Dominique Wide Awake concealer. And you just put a little bit here, basic places. This is the magic part, here. But if you watch my videos, you kind of have seen me do this. But for those of you who haven't, this is new. This is actually a new spot for me. It's giving threading. This I haven't tried on my channel yet. I've only done it on TikTok. I'm gonna do right where the curve is on your brow. And then on the nose, going like this. Basically, those are all the areas that are gonna lift your face. I feel like you should blend with a brush rather than a sponge. Sponge for me is just really for like blending the edges. If you want these placements to work, honestly, you have to keep them in that place. You have to be careful not to move them around too much and kind of keep them in that place, and just make sure to blend them out really nice in that spot for you to see a difference. I've kind of blended them in place, but I'm gonna go ahead and soften the edges. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys right now that this is my favorite hack. I feel like it works. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely love it. If you watch all my other videos, you know that I love this type of brightening placement. It's amazing, actually works. So if you are wanting a facelift, try this instead of surgery. It might change your mind. The W blush. Oh my God, this is my favorite. I just got these in from SheGlam, which I have been wanting to try. I'm so excited to try it right now. This is the shade Love Cake, and how freaking cute. Basically, you just draw a W on your face, and that's supposed to give you like the perfect sun-kissed blush. So I'm just going like this, going up, down, and back up. So you're like avoiding your under eyes. You're just putting it across your nose. So this trend reminds me of summer. I feel like it can be intense, especially if you're using a blush like that, but I also think it looks really, really cute. You're gonna notice that it's gonna look intense. Let me show you guys. Really? Like that's, it looks crazy, but you can blend it out, obviously, and lighten it up if you want to add more concealer back in there. It's too much, but it's cute. I can't make my mind up. I need to fix it. I need more concealer. That's why I'm giving this hack a 6 out of 10, because I have to fix it too much. But I do like my placement. I do like the placement on my nose and the upper cheek, but just going around the eyes too heavy, it's just too much, I feel like. But I do like when I go back over the pink, it makes my under eyes look even brighter. I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10 because I still think it's super cute. You can fix it up and it looks really good, but the fact that you have to do that, why? This next one is pretty classic, I feel like, and I'm gonna try it out anyways. But basically you get your setting powder, and I have to set my under eyes, so this is perfect. You get your setting powder on a brush, and you just wipe it across your eyelids and lashes, like so. Like, I feel weird saying that, and I don't like hearing people say that, but I say it. Bam. Also need to set my under eyes, so why not? Since we're here. I'm also almost out of this powder. It's so freaking good. Makes everything look super smooth. Amazing. Love it. Hydrated, but matte. Okay, so we are fully powdered. Now you take your mascara. I'm gonna take this one from Tower 28, and it's supposed to make your lashes even longer and help your mascara last throughout the day. And I can tell you guys, it works. It works because the formula grips to the powder and it pulls the lashes out even further than they would naturally go. And also doesn't make your formula as heavy if it's a very wet formula. And when your formula for mascara is wet and heavy, it just drags your lashes down, and it helps with that as well. So if you wanna fix a mascara that you currently have that you feel is too thick, try this. Longer, flirtier, still gonna put lashes on at the end, but I'm just saying it works. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Okay, this next hack is supposed to give you the perfect, flawless cut crease and eyeliner with eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take my eyeshadow palette and my eyelash curler, take one that actually fits your shape. Mine kind of goes like this, but if it goes straight, that's even better. Mine just kind of goes funny. We're gonna try it anyways. Okay, I'm gonna get a thin little brush like this. It's like flat, but fluffy. It's like a shadow brush, but longer. So this is gonna be great for this. So I'm gonna take whatever eyeshadow you have, just like some shades for the crease. I always mix. You're supposed to put it like right above your eyelid and just go back and forth, like so. And it's supposed to give you the perfect cut crease. I've actually tried this before, it's on my TikTok, and I liked it a lot. But now I have an eyelash curler that has like a groove in it. Ooh, this still works. I love it so much. Ooh, oh my goodness. These makeup hacks actually freaking work. And I'm gonna go out a little further actually. Okay, that looks a little messy. It's giving fox eye. Okay, so we're gonna blend because this looks a little crazy at the end. Bam, perfect eyeshadow. Let me just check a close mirror. She's perfect. We're gonna do the eyeliner part now. So what you're supposed to do is open the bottom and place it like right here. If you see this on TikTok, people already have part of it on, and so that's basically what they're doing. So you're going like this. So you already put it on, like start it where your pupil is, go behind the pupil and start to just put down a layer like so. And then take the eyelash curler, line it up where you want your liner to go. I don't know why I'm nervous, but here we go. I have tried this before, so it shouldn't be too bad. I need to fix it a little bit, but it gives you a straight line, which is awesome. So I'll just take my concealer brush, bam, blend it a little bit more on the edge, boom, and it basically works. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, both eyes are done. All I have to say is that this is an amazing hack. I gave it a 7 out of 10, I think, on TikTok, but here I'm gonna give it, oh my God, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because it actually worked so much easier right now on camera with you guys. But I had to fix the last couple. It's just the way that you place your hand that makes the hugest difference. You may try it and feel like it doesn't work, but it depends on your hand placement and you need to try it. The next one is eyeliner with packaging. You just get your liquid eyeliner. I like the one from Makeup by Mario. It's very matte, it's very pigmented, and it lasts all day, which is a huge plus for me. I have this one. I have my little card. So basically you just line up the card, very easy, onto your eye, and you draw your line. Let me fix it. It gave me a nice line, okay? But this is too thick, hold on. It honestly just helps you draw an even better line into your eyelid. So I don't wanna go too heavy. I'm gonna stay pretty thin. Okay, it worked a little bit better on my TikTok. Here, I'd give it a 7 out of 10, maybe a 6. It's just a really good guide to get that perfect wing that you want, but it's not gonna give you the wing, you know? It's up to you to finish it, but it gives you a really nice guiding line. So the next one is the zero, or I've heard different types. There's the oval line, there's the zero. I'm gonna try the zero lip liner, where it's just literally a little circle on your lips. So I'm gonna put my lips together because I have a little bit of a fuller lip already because of the filler. But let me do this really quick. So it basically looks like this, and it looks insane, but then you just take the corners and you line them up, and these corners, and you just fill it in. So it basically looks like that. You put liquid liner or lipstick over it. I'm gonna put some liquid lip on. This is actually from Dominique. It's just a sample of Dulce Lip. You guys can see it says Dulce Lip, and this one is, I don't know if I was supposed to show that, but whatever, but this is my lab sample until I get my new mauve pink packaging in for my brand, because you know we're getting rid of all the black components and we're bringing in our new branding and colors. So this is just a lab sample, but I have to spray over it, and it's supposed to look super natural and beautiful and full. I feel like it looks good on pictures and video, but if you see me in person and I'm talking to you, does it look weird? I don't know. I kind of like it though. I wouldn't go as extreme as I just did, like that, but I think it's cute. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. What do you guys think? So that was all the viral TikTok makeup trends that I found. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to try this out for you guys so you could see exactly how those trends work and kind of like in real life, and if they really work. I feel like they're all really good trends. Some of them I could leave and not try again. I actually really loved a lot of them, but let me know in the comments which one you would try out. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't seen these other videos to the side, make sure to go check those out. You might like them, and if you want to be friends and hang out every week, make sure to subscribe to my channel. My face is in a circle down below. Make sure to click that. I love you guys, and before I let you go, I just want to let you know to focus on the good. Focus on the good in your life. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.